Roast Your Insta AI has just dropped, and if you're curious about how this new AI software could change your Instagram game, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in, and trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end. There's a lot more than meets the eye with this one. First off, if you're new to Roast Your Insta AI, it promises to revolutionize how you create and optimize your Instagram content. Whether you're a small business, influencer, or just trying to get noticed on the platform, this tool offers a bunch of features designed to elevate your Insta game without wasting time. But is it really the best? Let's get into it. For starters, it's built with simplicity in mind. The interface is clean and user-friendly, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to make it work. Whether you're looking to create engaging posts, write captions that pop, or analyze your Instagram performance, Roast Your Insta AI helps you do it all. But here's the thing, it's easy to use, but does it really deliver on its promises? Keep watching, because there's more to it. One of the key features that stood out to me is its AI-powered caption generator. If you've ever struggled to come up with the perfect caption to match your visuals, this tool gives you instant suggestions based on your niche and style. It's like having a copywriting assistant on demand. But here's a pro tip. While the captions are great, don't rely on them entirely. You'll still want to add your personal touch to make sure they truly resonate with your audience. Another big selling point is the hashtag generator. The AI analyzes your post and gives you a tailored set of hashtags to help boost your reach. It's an easy way to ensure you're not just throwing random hashtags out there. However, don't expect it to do all the work for you. You'll still need to monitor your engagement and tweak things as needed. Now, let's talk about the analytics side. Roast Your Insta AI tracks your Instagram performance and gives you insights into what's working and what's not. It's a great way to spot trends, see your best performing content, and identify areas for improvement. But, and this is a big one, the analytics are only as good as the data you put into the tool. So, if you're not posting regularly or following a solid content strategy, don't expect the insights to magically turn things around. When it comes to automating your posting schedule, Roast Your Insta AI has you covered. You can plan, schedule, and publish posts right from the platform. That's a huge time saver, especially for businesses and creators who want to maintain a consistent presence without constantly being glued to their phone. But there's a catch. It doesn't integrate with all Instagram features like Stories or IGTV just yet. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one scheduling tool, you might need to look elsewhere for those features. The software also boasts AI-powered image recommendations. It analyzes your current Instagram feed and suggests visual styles that align with your brand. It's a cool feature, but I found that it's still in its early stages. While it's good at recommending trending styles, it doesn't always nail the personal branding element. So, use it for inspiration, but be sure to add your unique flair. Let's wrap it up with pricing. Roast Your Insta AI is offering a free trial, which is awesome because you can test out all the features and see if it's right for you without any financial commitment. After the trial though, the pricing can get a bit steep, depending on the plan you choose. If you're serious about scaling your Instagram game, the higher tier plans might be worth it, but if you're just starting out, the basic plan might do the trick. Overall, I think Roast Your Insta AI has potential, but it's not perfect. It's a great tool for boosting your Instagram strategy, but you'll need to stay on top of your content and engagement to really see the benefits. If you're curious and want to try it yourself, I've linked the free trial in the description below. And by the way, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've curated a list of my top recommendations, all available for free trials as well. So make sure to check that out. Now go ahead and give it a shot, and let me know what you think in the comments.